Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is our second video review for the unboxing of the TW8 Ultra Smart Watch. It is a Watch Ultra clone loaded with different features and with the SZOS support application. As you can see here, it features a 1.96-inch screen display and with support for Bluetooth call as well as push notifications. We are going to explore the different menus and features of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the TW8 Ultra Smart Watch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Alright, let's start and explore the features of the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch. So let's explore first the different watch faces for the wearable. So it is preloaded with different watch faces. I guess this is a custom watch face. So let's pick a watch face here. Oh, okay, so this one is good. For the UI, on top we have the quick settings here, or shortcut to the different functions, or a shortcut to the main functions. And for the left side we have a split screen, a different kind of split screen. So it shows here the recently accessed application. On the other side we have the different cards such as music player or Bluetooth music player. We have the calorie or activity tracking with the steps, activity or distance, and calories. We have the heart rate monitoring, weather report, sleep monitoring, and that's it, the watch face. And on the bottom part we have the push notifications. To access the main menu, all you have to do is just press the power button. This one is for the sports. This is the return button. For the sports, just press and we have the sports function. Again, press the power button to access the main menu. So we have here a bubble type menu. So let's check or change this to the list style so we can see the different menus. So that is the power off. So let's look for the menu options. We have the calculator. This is the QR code. So where's the menu option? Settings, display, system, interface style. So we have here the list style. Okay. So for the different menus and features, obviously, as you can see here, we have the dial, call logs, and contacts. That is for the Bluetooth call support. We have alarm, workout for the sports. We have a heart rate monitoring, weather report, blood oxygen monitoring. We also have a blood pressure, automatic activity records or activity tracking. We have sleep monitoring, music control. We also have it here. We have messages or push notifications. We have stopwatch, timer, find phone, calculator, AI voice, remote camera. We also have it here. What's the collection code? Okay, WeChat Pay, stopwatch, timer, find phone. We have a calculator, remote camera, friend code for the WeChat. What else do we have here? Let's use the rotary function. Sleep monitoring, music control, and ECG. And that's it. For the settings, we have the display. Display includes the watch face, brightness. Okay, screen on. We also have a screen on support. Sound, volume, silent mode. Volume, you can adjust it here. That is for the Bluetooth call, I think. As well as the music control. Do not disturb mode. App download, that is the support app as ZOS. Interface. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's explore. Grid view. So this is the grid view. Recently accessed. Okay, that is the QR code. Common. So this is not the recently accessed. Seems like just the common application. It's different from the usual split screen. So let's explore the menus here. So we have to go to the settings. Interface style, once whole. Okay, this one is nice. Rotating menu. This one is also good. I like this one. Interface style, list style, and runway. So we also have here a runway. Going back to the rotating menu. So we have timer, language support, English, French, and other languages here. Okay, going back. For the sports, just press this one. And we have the workout or the multi-mode sports. We have the running, walking, indoor cycling, indoor running, indoor walk, and free exercise. For the running, let's see. It can track the time, the steps, distance, calories, and beats per minute. Stop. For the indoor cycling, we have time, steps. There shouldn't be a steps here because this is indoor cycling. Kilometer, beats per minute, and calories. There's a vibration mode also. What else do we have here? I think we already shown to you some of the or all of these features for this wearable. So it got the basics and it got the multi-mode sports function as well as the out. So we also have an ECG here. So there are some new features here. It is our first time to encounter these features like friend code, WeChat. We also have it here. That is for the payment, I think. We have music control, screen on. So there are some new features that is not available to other smart watches, especially in the Watch Ultra clone category. So that's it for the menus and features of the TW8 Ultra Smart Watch. It is a simple and loaded with basic and advanced features for your Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. Again, this is the TW8 Ultra Smart Watch. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye.